Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I'm back and I want to start really fresh and new with all my projects. I mean, you will still see the progress from like the last time I posted a video about my penning projects. But I decided to do it to change things up a bit at least, and I've decided to finally have my Anastacia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette as my pendant palette for this year. I know I've already missed a few months, but well, I could never stick to like a normal calendar routine or something. So yeah, I'm just starting now, and I think it will be possible with this palette to still finish it completely until the end of the year. So that's the plan. I'm going to show you now the inside and where we're at with this palette. So this is our starting point. As you can see, I have hit pan in almost every shade already. There's only one left where I have no pan in, and it's this shade here, Amber. And everything else I already worked on a lot. And you can see here I have some Franken shadows. I think this one, and this one. I did some Frankening, and I want to do a lot more like Frankening. If you don't know, a Franken shadow is practically when you just mix together different shadows and create your own. So I think I want to do it with all of the shades in here that don't fit me that well, at least not my makeup aesthetics, and that is everything that is too warm toned. And I think the first thing I want to do is Franken this eyeshadow here. It's a yellowish gold and they look so bad on me. I have a very fair skin tone, I have a cool undertone, I'm like this super fair pinky shade in the foundation range, if there happens to be one. So everything that is going into the yellow direction looks very weird on me because it like, at especially on my eyes, I have like, you can see a really strong bluish kind of tone coming through. So when I put something on that is yellow, it kind of it transforms into something muddy immediately. Like it's going to, become a bit greenish when you mix yellow and blue, and it always looks just not good on me. So I don't like wearing colors that are going into the yellow direction or into the orange one. Warm tones don't look good on me. So yeah, I have to be a bit careful, and I don't mind that. But I feel like if I exchange this color with something else, or like mix in something else and turn it into more of a cool tone shade, I think it will be easy to use it up fast. And as you can see here, I have used up a lot, and in this shade too. So here, Cinder especially, I've had already such a big dip in this one when I started last or the year before in the project. So yeah, Teak, I think I want to leave as it is because it has a very nice, very dark undertone. Oh, and please don't mind my nails. I painted with acrylic colors and I got a bit of staining in blue. So yeah, just don't mind it. I love the shade Cyborg. This one here I also frankened. It's like a mixture of the black that was in here and the dark brown that was here. So it's like a super darkish brownish shade. I can use it as a liner. I love deepening up my outer corner with something very deep. So I'm always happy if there is a black in an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I think this one here will be no problem at all. This color here is a bit outside of my comfort zone, I would say, but still it's a nice shade. I frankened it, I put it together myself, and it looks a bit too, like it's a bit of a, like a warm orchid shade maybe. And it's not ideal on me, but I can work with it. So we keep it like it is for now. I think I will keep all the eyeshadows as they are for now. And my first goal will be to hit pan in Amber. And then I want to franken this shade here, Steampunk, into something that is a bit better for me. And then I also want to hit pan again in this one. So that's, oops, oh no, ruining it already. Okay, we don't care. I will repair it later. Yeah, so that's our starting point, and of course the goal is to use up the whole palette. So let's see how we can do it. I'm super excited to start this project now. and I think it's really time for this palette. I love it. I loved it so much, but I don't reach for it anymore, so I think it's a perfect time to have it slowly leaving my collection and giving it like its special moment again for a year. So if you want to see my updates and not miss something, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And I hope that you're excited for this project. I promise that I will be now staying on YouTube for a long time, and I really want to go through with my projects this year. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!